It's Wednesday, March 11th. Today is a severe weather day, and that tops our 3 things you need to know as you're heading out the door in the Pittsburgh area. Let's start you off with number one. Severe weather, yes, it's going to be possible today. For the rest of the day, we can't rule out a severe storm coming through the area. Number 2, timing of all of this. Highest chance for those severe storms is going to be from 2 o'clock this afternoon through around 11 o'clock. Everything's on the table. Tornadoes, large hail, and strong straight line winds. Number 3, behind the storms, we're going to be looking at significantly cooler weather. We'll be back to more seasonal weather for the rest of the week. In fact, some snow chances will be around tomorrow. All right. I am going to be on KDKA all morning long, tracking any storms through the morning hours. We'll be here as a team all day long. Hopefully you check us out there. And as always, if these are helpful to you, I always appreciate some likes, some follows. I'm always welcome for those, and thank you for those. All right, guys, make it a smiley good one and make it a safe one as well. Bye.